Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. We're gonna be flaunting these babies. They are so cute. They're my summer nails, although I have to cut them probably by tonight or tomorrow because my grandson's coming over and I can't risk stabbing him in the face with these babies, but they're super cute. My video is being uploaded right now as we speak. So don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. And for my new subscribers, don't forget to hit that little bell. Hit the bell. Hit the bell so that they can notify you of more videos that are to come. We're just going to leave this video like this because ain't nobody got time for all that editing. But with that said, you guys did ask me to show you guys the recipe. Like if you're in the mood for squash, which I am. I believe this is an Italian squash. I better be right. So you want to cut the tails off. So we're going to start with that. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees because these babies are going to go in the oven for about 20 minutes. Let me see if you guys can totally see my nails because they are so cute and I definitely want to use them as much as I can. I don't know why I'm cutting with a long knife. So I hope everyone's having a good one. I am. It's really cold, which I don't know what the heck's going on. Why it's so cold. Okay, so we're going to cut these babies in half like this. So I have all of these. I put 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So we're going to go ahead and cut these in half. And then I'll show you guys the next step. I'm going to upload this recipe for you guys. You guys wanted to see how we make them. So these are simple. If you're trying to stay on a diet, like I am, right. You want to do this even though I literally had tacos yesterday, steak, and all the stuff you're not supposed to eat. But anyways. It's a new day. I had noodles this morning, but look, I changed my mind. I'm going to do something healthy. So, let me cut these up. Okay, so excuse my mess. Today was a very busy day. Everyone's just like messing around. Okay, why is it that I don't have a spoon? Hold on, you guys. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and clean these up from this part. You don't want to do too much. Let's see. So today's Friday. It's a lazy day. And I thought I'd do this recipe for you guys. Since you guys asked, I'm going to do it for you guys. Although it's very simple. This is actually my BFF's recipe. She's the one that taught me how to do these. So you're going to do that to all of them. Okay, so let's just make sure that we do it like this. A lot of you guys do have that question. How do you do things with long nails? So I'm going to show you that girls with long nails, we can do everything. We can wash dishes, we can cook. See that? Beautiful. Okay, so this is what they look like. Cute. Now we're going to go ahead and use a pizza sauce because I was lazy and I didn't make it homemade. So this is the sauce that I picked today, Ragu. It's one of my favorites, although my husband did try out this other one that was pretty good. I don't know why I didn't pick up the other one, but you know what? It's fine. So you want to put either half or you want to go with the whole tablespoon. I like a lot of sauce, so I definitely want to go for the whole tablespoon. But it's up to you guys if you want to or not. Some people don't like too much sauce. Some people do. It just depends how you like it. But definitely, I love extra sauce. Even when I order my pizza, I'm always like ordering with extra sauce. So I hope you guys are having a great Friday. We're just having a lazy bummy Friday. But of course, like always, we're always making food in this home. My kids are making homemade pizza. So we're always cooking something. We never really get a break. So let me get the cheese and the pepperoni. Okay, so we have this mozzarella cheese. And once again, you put as much cheese as you want, okay? So, I'm going to show you guys how to do this one. Okay, I'm trying to put it in an angle where you... Oh, actually, I should put this because it's probably going to fall. There we go. Okay. So, let's put some cheese on these babies. Ooh, that's a lot of cheese. Okay, that's too much cheese. So for those that are wondering how I use my fingers with my big long fingernails, you can see what I'm doing here. I love all my people that follow me, and even the ones that are like the little haters. I love them. There is no hate here, you guys. Nothing but love. I love all those comments. My favorite comment is still... Is that you, Freddy Cougar, out there because of my fingernails? I also, you guys, on my shorts, for those that are like curious, because a lot of you guys are curious, I do show you guys there how to do all kinds of stuff with my long nails. How to cut vegetables, how I comb my hair, how I do my daughter's hair, or how I wash dishes, and all kinds of cool stuff. And I think we already stuffed this with so much cheese. Well, there goes the diet. Okay, we've got a little pepperoni, and these are looking so cute. Let's see. I'm over here talking about my nails and then I can't open the bag. Silly me. Okay, so let's use some of this pepperoni, and I think it's gonna take about 3 of them on each one. Yeah, about 3 of them. You want all that little grease. It's gonna be so good. Okay, so we'll do 3 on each one. This one's too close to this one. Let's scoot it over. Okay. So let's do 3. So this is what we love to do, cook. We're always cooking. So when we visit a nice restaurant, I know when it's a nice restaurant, and the one we just went to, even though my husband doesn't really agree as much, because he's just really picky, more picky than I am, I guess. That rustic pelican was really yummy. Their filet mignon was the bomb, and then he got the sea bass fish, and it was bomb. I liked it. Okay, so we're gonna put these in the oven. Look at these, how pretty. We're gonna put these in the oven. Oops, did I really do that? Oh my gosh. I should turn the camera so you guys can actually see this. Look at how pretty these look. So pretty. You can see. Okay, so let's put these in the oven, and we said we're gonna do 400 degrees, and let's do 20 minutes. If you want them more crunchy, then you're going to go ahead and put them a little longer. 5 minutes more extra if you want. But let's see 20 minutes what it's going to do. Let's set our timer. Okay, let's put those in there. And let's set our timer. And let's do... Oops. We said 20 minutes. Okay, perfect. So let's get started. Just remembered, I took them out because some of us like the basil on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and put some basil. I think I'll probably do half of them with basil. Okay, so I changed my mind. Let's put basil on all of them. Now they can go back in the oven for 20 minutes. Voila, there it is. Mine went in for 25 minutes. I like them a little more toasty. So you guys make sure you do 20 minutes and you're checking up on them to make sure, you know, that you get exactly what you want. So these are yummy. Let's try them out. Okay, so I don't know how hot these are, but I'm going to take a risk on burning my mouth here. Girl. These are so good. So these are like mini pizzas. The kids are making some real pizza. I was craving these. These are pretty good.